Hey everyone, welcome to another video from GlasWeld. I'm Shiloh, and today I am here with Francisco Lage with Straight Ace Wraps. Tell us a little bit about your business and what you guys do.
Yeah, so my name is Francisco. I own Straight Ace Wraps. We do window tinting, paint protection film, ceramic coatings, and vehicle wraps.
Awesome, very good. And where can customers in the local area find you?
We are located in Bend, Oregon, Central Oregon, and all of our social media is under Straight Ace Wraps. So if you ever need to find us, it's pretty easy to find.
Awesome. Got a website, I've seen it. You got good social media. So.
Thank you.
Awesome. Doing obviously a beautiful shop here too as well. So how long have you been in the business of window tint, ceramic coating, and all that kind of stuff?
So we started in 2020, but I've been learning everything and whatnot since like 2017.
Okay.
But yeah, 2020 is when we started operating.
Doing it quite a while now then.
Yeah.
Yeah, obviously with some good success.
Yeah, it's been a fun journey. Yeah, it's been cool.
Very cool. So, tell us a little bit about what you guys do here. Obviously, we know ceramic coating and window tinting. About how many cars do you guys operate on a daily basis?
Anywhere from 3 to 5. It just depends on what the projects are, but we usually stay around there.
Okay, cool. And I'm assuming occasionally you see rock chips on windshield. Is that a fair statement?
Oh yeah, especially here in Central Oregon, we see them all the time. We do a lot of windshield window tints and ceramic coatings, and they are practically on every car.
So you're seeing it on a lot of vehicles. So walk me through, like, what happens when someone comes in the shop and you're about to ceramic coat it, or you're about to tint the windshield, but you notice a big old rock chip. Like, what does that process look like for you?
We always go over the vehicle with the customer. If there's any damage to the windshield, we point it out first, and we explain to them that because of the process of tinting the vehicle, there's a chance that it can expand if it hasn't been cured and fixed. So there's always some sort of, a liability there that has to be addressed. That can deter a customer, or, sometimes they don't mind, but there's always that risk of windshield cracking.
Yeah, for sure. And just to give a little bit of the science behind that, of course, when you heat and expansion and contraction and all that on a windshield. So when a windshield is one temperature and we heat it with a heat gun or whatever to apply film, you're
messing with properties of the glass for sure.
Exactly. Yeah, exactly. And when it comes to ceramic coating, if you're doing a ceramic coating on a windshield, kind of the same idea, right?
Yeah, you don't really want to get the coating into the glass because it's not going to fix it, and it's just going to get in the way of being able to fix it later on. So it is something you want to address before coating.
Okay, cool. So we're talking to Francisco right now at a point where he's not currently yet doing rock chip repair.
Yeah.
So based on what you've just described, do you see an opportunity to add revenue to your business and provide a valuable service to your customers?
Oh yeah, no, for sure. We get asked all the time, over the phone. Actually, customers will bring it out to us before we even see the vehicle. Sometimes we'll notice that they say, "Oh, my vehicle's got a small chip in it. Is that going to be a problem? Can I still bring it in? Can you guys fix it? Is there somebody that you guys can recommend me to?" And it would be a little bit easier if we can just take it all in and take care of it in-house.
Yeah, for sure. One of the things I've heard window tinters talk about, and maybe you can either confirm this or deny this, is that in situations where someone comes in and they have a rock chip and then they refer them out, then in some cases, things happen, right? And
right.
Maybe that customer doesn't come back.
Yeah.
Or, gets busy with something else and then forgets about it.
Yeah, it's definitely more of a hassle. You definitely are risking losing the customer. They may get scared away. They may not come back. The schedules might not line up. Or who knows, if you refer them to somebody, they might end up going somewhere else because they're closer to whoever they're going to. So, it's better to keep everything in-house.
Yeah, totally.
Yeah.
Another thing that's just kind of a piece to highlight, I'm sure like on a lot of the newer vehicles, we have the cameras now right up above the window. We call those ADAS or advanced safety systems. And so like as a window tinter, one of the conversations you can have with people too, in addition to sort of the convenience factor of just doing it right now, is that also, as a repair only specialist, that you're going to do everything you can to save them the cost of even replace that windshield.
Yeah, because it gets pricey. I mean, even a 2018 Q60, you're looking at $2,500 for a windshield.
Wow. Yeah. And some of that, just to kind of fill in some of the gaps there, is that as we move into the age of technology, there's more and more safety systems in and around the windshield. And so as a result, not only is it the cost of the windshield now, but it's also the cost of recalibrating that entire system. So doing a rock chip repair whenever it's possible is a huge win for the customer.
Oh, yeah.
So, I mean, if you could add $100 to that ceramic coating invoice or the window tinting invoice, makes a lot of sense.
Yeah, everybody benefits. It's not just a shop thing. The customer definitely gets a huge benefit out of it as well.
Okay, so, anything else you want to add to just like about your business or about the ideas that you have on rock chip repair or on anything else?
It's going to definitely be a favorable service that we're going to be offering. Definitely a lot of people are going to be coming to us for it, as we've already had a lot of people, calling in for it. Unfortunately, we haven't been able to do it for them, but that's going to change. Yeah. So we're really excited about, just bringing top quality and making it a fun experience for the customer and a little bit less stressful with those lower ticket items of doing a fix and not a replacement.
Totally. And I think one of the things that, you highlighted is like, you don't have to go out and advertise for rock chip repair.
No.
You can basically just...
It's already there.
Yeah, the customers come to you, this folds right into what you're doing. And I think today, as we do some training together and sort of demonstrate the process too, what you'll be able to see is that you'll be able to do this without really taking away from your core business, which is a concern, I'm sure. You don't want to like start doing rock chip and then ignore what's
everything else. No, so that'll be good.
Great.
That'll be fun.
Well, thank you so much for taking some time to chat with us and talk us through your business and what you guys do. You guys, be sure to follow Francisco on social media, follow his Instagram channel or whatever other channels you have.
On Instagram.
Okay, great. And hit up his website. If you're in Central Oregon, come see him. Clearly does great work. I have a couple of referrals from friends here locally that have had you work on their vehicles, and we're really impressed.
Sounds awesome.
Appreciate you spending some time with us.
Yeah, of course. No worries.
All right, thank you.